How to choose research topic for your dissertation. Choosing a research topic is a decision that you may have to make on the road to attaining a degree. Depending on the type of degree, your teachers may provide recommendations of topics and you select a research topic from that list. Alternatively, you may have to select your own research topic. Here are some factors to consider when choosing a research topic. Interest. The greater your interest in the research area, the more committed and dedicated you will be. Research can be a long journey which requires perseverance and determination. Therefore, to avoid boredom and frustration along the way, select a research area that you are passionate about. Profession. Your profession path is one of the most important factors to consider when choosing a research topic. A research topic closely linked to your career vision will only add value in the world of work. One of the main purposes of doing a research is to provide contribution to knowledge and practice. Therefore, it will be beneficial to you if your research aligns with your profession and career plan. Time. Time will usually affect how deep you can explore a particular subject area. Depending on the subject area, you may not be able to explore the topic to the depth that is required by your program. Ensure that you have narrowed down your research topic to reflect this. As an example, you can use geography as a factor to narrow down your study. So instead of your study focus on the state of Texas, you can narrow your study down to focus on Houston, Texas. Alternatively, you can also use time periods to narrow down your research area, such as using a year in your research topic. Thus, time is a factor to bear in mind when considering a research topic. Budget. Research can be costly as you have to travel to meet with participants and other costs that will come up in order to complete your research. These may include costs such as proofreading, printing and transcription services. The cost of the research will vary depending on the nature of the topic selected. As an example, if your research topic compares one factor in country A to country B, you may be required to spend time in both locations. This may translate into airfare, accommodation and various other costs to complete this exercise. Practical use of the data. There are some research topics that may have greater practical application than others. If you want your study to elevate your career, consider choosing an area where your study can make a difference. The more important your subject area is to policymakers, as an example, the greater the contribution of your research. Novelty. Avoid selecting a research topic that several other persons have contributed to in your field in your country. If there are several researchers who have completed studies in your field, then your research will be just another paper in the area in your country. However, if it is new in your country, as an example, then your work will get greater exposure. Therefore, get creative in your topic selection. Ease of locating participants. The ease of locating participants in your subject area should be something that you should consider. If your research topic is extremely sensitive, your data collection process could take a considerable period of time. You may also find that participants are reluctant to participate in your study and hence your search for participants may be longer. Final thoughts. Research can be very interesting since you are exploring a research problem that you are passionate about. According to Neil Armstrong, research is creating new knowledge. Hope these points above help you while choosing a research topic. If you found this article beneficial, I will be grateful if you can share it and leave a comment.